Meizu 16XS is new smartphone from Meizu, and the smartphone comes with a triple rear camera setup, a notchless display, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The phone's key specifications include a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, Snapdragon 675 processor, a 46-megapixel rear sensor, and 4000 mAh battery. Alongside, Meizu has also announced a new EP2C Type-C headset as well. This comes a month after the launch of the Meizu 16's phone, which is powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 855 processor, a 6.2-inch display, also has a 48-megapixel sensor, and packs a 3600 mAh battery. As for the camera, the triple rear camera setup sports a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, an 8-megapixel 118-degree ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture, and a last 5-megapixel sensor with f1.9 aperture. Up front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie sensor with f2.2 aperture. The Meizu 16X's packs a 4000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging as well as a 3.5mm audio jack, and connectivity options include USB Type-C port, dual 4G Volt, Bluetooth V5, and more. The company will also be including EP2C Type-C headset with built-in DAC in the box.